Okay, so next we'll start the seventh problem. Find the point on the x-axis. Point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. Okay, so first we'll understand what they are asking. Find the point on the x-axis. See, the coordinates of the point on the x-axis ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? The point on the x-axis. X-axis, the coordinates ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? X, 0. ಅಲ್ವಾ? See, if we take this, the point on the x-axis ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ x, 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. The point on the y-axis is 0, y, and point on the coordinates is always x, y form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ coordinates, right? So this we need to know. And find the point on the x-axis. Okay, so x-axis x, 0 ಇದೆ, and which is equidistant from these 2 points. Andre, here we have a point on the x-axis x, 0 which is equidistant from other 2 points. That is, we consider A and B. A coordinates 2, minus 5 ಅಂತ consider ಮಾಡೋಣ. B minus 2, 9. Equidistant ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ AP equal to BP. Right? This point is equidistant ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ from A and B ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. That is the given condition. So let's find out the value of a x by the condition according to the question. According to the question, we have the condition that is PA. So PA equal to PB. Right? So PA is equal to PB. P x, 0, A is 2, minus 5. And your P is x, 0 and B is minus 2, 9. x1, y1, this is x2, y2. This is also x1, y1, x2, y2 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಣ. Okay, so now PA. PA is equal to the distance between P and A. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to, here also the same formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substitute all the values. x2 ಏನಿದೆ 2 minus x whole square, y2 minus 5 minus 0 whole square root of x2 minus 2 minus x whole square, and y2 is 9 minus 0 whole square. Okay, so now this 2 minus x whole square plus iದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 5 square, and this minus 2 minus x square plus 9 square. Now squaring on both side ಮಾಡಿ, squaring on both the side. ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನು ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ರೂಟ್ 2. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೀಗ. ಸೊ ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ 2 minus x square plus 5 square is 25 and squaring on both sides. ಈ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ minus 2 minus x whole square plus 9 9s are 81 whole square. And this square root, this square roots get cancelled. Now we have the value. That is 2 minus x whole square plus 25 is equal to, next we have minus, right? So minus 2 minus x whole square plus 81. Okay, so let's simplify this. Simplify madam. So this is represents the identity a minus b whole square. ಈ identity ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಏನಿದೆ? a square plus b square minus 2ab. expand ಮಾಡೋಣ. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. See, this is A, this is B. A square plus B square minus, because minus is minus 2 into AB plus 25 with it, we'll just write it down, is equal to, next we have this. Here also, so A minus B whole square, idana small bracket hakoli, minus 2 is a A here, okay. So minus 2 A square plus B square minus 2AB plus 81. Clear? Minus 2 A square plus B square minus 2A and B plus 9 square means 81, we write it. And now this 4, 2 square 4, x square minus 2 2s are 4, 4x plus 25, here minus 2 square 4 agate, x square minus into minus plus 4x plus 81. Now transpose ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು 4 plus x square minus 4x plus 25 minus 4 minus x square minus 4x minus 81 is equal to 0. Here plus x square minus x square cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And now minus 4x minus 8x, then 4 plus 25 29, 4 minus 4 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 25 minus 81 we get a plus 25 minus 81 is equal to 0, minus 81 plus 25, different sign, subtraction. So big number sign, 11 6 and 7, so 56 minus 56, we get minus 8x minus 56 is equal to 0. Transpose ಮಾಡಿ minus 8x is equal to minus plus 56, then x is equal to 56 by minus 8, 8 1s are 8 7s are, we get x is equal to minus 7. X value siktu namge. Now the point on x axis is equal to x comma 0 andre, that is nothing but minus 7 comma 0. So this is the answer for the question number 7. So next we move on to the 8th problem. Okay, so next 8th problem, find the values of a y for which the distance between the points P 2 comma minus 3 and Q 10 comma y is 10 units. ಈ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಡುವೆ ಇರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 10 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ P and another point Q, and the distance between these two points is 10 units, and this has a coordinate 2 comma minus 3 and Q is 10 comma y. Let's take x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Fine. Okay, so now by distance formula, PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. PQ distance already ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ 10, write it down, and x2 10 minus 2 whole square, y2 y minus of minus 3 whole square. Then 10 is equal to 10 minus 2 8 square, and this is y minus into minus plus 3 whole square. 10 square root of 64 plus y plus 3 whole square. Now I don't want this square root anta, again ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು. So squaring on both sides, then 10 square is equal to square root of 64 plus y plus 3 whole square. Yeah, square root cancel agate, 10 square it is 100, and 64 plus y plus 3 whole square. Okay, so let's do it. 100 one more time, 100 is equal to 64 plus y plus 3 whole square. Now 64 transpose ಮಾಡಿ, 100 minus 64 is equal to y plus 3 whole square, we get 36 y plus 3 whole square. See, this can also be written as in this way. Y plus 3 whole square is equal to 36 ಅಂತನೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. Now y plus 3, this square becomes square root of this. Square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ square root ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then y plus 3 is equal to plus or minus 6. Square root of 36 is 6. Now y plus 3 is equal to plus 6 or y plus 3 is equal to minus 6 ತಗೊಬೇಕು. Then y is equal to transpose ಮಾಡಿ. So 16 minus 3, y is equal to 13 we get. Sorry, 16 minus so 6 ಅದು 16 ಅಲ್ಲ plus 6 ಅದು. So 6, 3, y value 3 or y is equal to minus 6 minus 3, y is equal to minus 9. So the possible values of y is 3 or minus 9. Okay, so that completes our 8th question. Check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ. Okay, yeah. Next we'll start the 9th problem. If q0,1 is equidistant from p 5, minus 3 and r x, 6. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು ಈ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂದ ಈಕ್ವಿಡಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Now we need to find the values of x and also find the distances of QR and PR. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ QR ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ PR ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾ. So what is the condition they have given? Q point, this Q point, we'll take a Q 0,1, it is equidistant from this equal distance from P 5, minus 3 and R is x, 6. So equidistant ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನೇನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? x is equal to question mark and one more QR also we need to find out and PR ಕೂಡ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so let's start this. So Q is equidistant from these two ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ according to the question QP is equal to QR because QP length equal to QR length, then Q 0,1 and P is 5, minus 3 and your Q is 0,1 and R is x, 6. Take x1 y1 x2 y2. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. That is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to your also x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substitute the values. Square root of x2 5 minus 0 whole square plus minus 3 minus 1 whole square. And here x2 x minus 0 whole square 6 minus 1 whole square. And 5 minus 5 square plus minus 4 square and this x square plus 5 square. And here also we can do squaring on both sides. So square root of in ಆಯಿತು 25 plus 4 4s are 16 square and this x square plus 25 square root cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 25 plus 16 it is 41 is equal to x square plus 25. Okay, so next 41 is equal to x square plus 25. Transpose ಮಾಡಿ 41 minus 25 is equal to x square. That is x square is equal to 41 minus 25, it is 16. X is equal to square root of 16. X is equal to plus or minus 4. So the point of R, ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ positive 4, 6 and because R is they have given x, 6 alla, so 4, 6 and R is minus 4, 6 or it. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 4,6 ಆದರೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ -4,6 ಆದರೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು +or-4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ QR. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ QR ಲೆಂತ್. QR ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ Q ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0,1 ರೈಟ್, 0,1 and R we have to take both the cases. 4,6 ಒಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and -4,6. ಸೊ 4,6 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ದಿಸ್ is when R is equal to x is equal to +4 condition. Okay, so QR is equal to square root of this is x1 y1 x2 y2, then x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Value substitution kodi. Then what we have, x2 4 minus 0 whole square, 6 minus 1 whole square, so 4 square plus 5 square, it is 4,16 plus 5 is 25, we get 41. That is a QR. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದು? when x is equal to -4. when x is equal to -4, QR is equal to √41. when x is equal to +4, sorry ಇದು +4 ಈಗ -4, x is equal to -4. now take a Q 0,1 and R is -4,6. okay, yeah, so this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. QR is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Square root of -4 -0 y2 6 minus 1 ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ -4 square plus 5 square, we get 4 16 plus 5 is 25, we get the same answer 41. see, we get a same answer QR in both the cases. Okay, so that is QR done. Next we need to find out the PR find out ಮಾಡೋಣ. that is also in a different case, so case 2 ತರ. so we need to find out PR. P is 5, -3 and R is 4,6. Then PR is equal to square root of x1 y1 x2 y2, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is x2 4 minus 5 whole square minus of -3 whole square, then square root of -1 square plus 6 plus 3 whole square, so 1 plus 6 9 square, that is 1 plus 9 9s are 81 square root of 82. okay, so this is when x is equal to 4. if when x is equal to -4, what is PR value? so P is 5, -3 but R is -4,6. so 2 cases ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. then PR ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ x1 y1 x2 y2, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, then x2 -4 -5 6 minus of -3 whole square, 4 minus 5 minus 9 square plus 6 plus 3 9 square, that is 9 9s are 81, 9 square ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, so square root of 81 plus 81. see this we can write 2 into 81 ಅಂತ, ಅಂದರೆ twice of 81, yeah, and this 81 square root of 81 is 9 root 2. Okay, so we get the value 9 root 2 PR when x is equal to minus 4. When x is equal to 4, PR value is root 82. Okay, so that completes our question number 9. Let's start the 10th question. Find a relation between x and y. Find a relation between x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the point 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಪಿ point x comma y is equidistant from these 2 points. Okay, first we'll draw a small rough diagram. Okay, so this is a point P x comma y which is equidistant from other 2 points. We'll take a and this is B 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. And now apply the condition. So according to the question, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪಿ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪಿ ಬಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಿ ಇಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮ ವೈ, ಎ ಇಸ್ 3 comma 6 and p is x comma y and b is minus 3 comma 4. Then x1 y1, x2 y2, here also x1 y1, this also x2 y2. So distance formula haki x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to here also x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then substitute the values. Square 3 minus x whole square plus 6 minus y whole square, here minus 3 minus x whole square plus 4 minus y whole square. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಬೇಡ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್. 3 minus x square 6 minus y square minus 3 minus x square plus 4 minus y whole square gets cancelled. So now we have a equation 3 minus x square 6 minus y square minus 3 minus x square plus 4 minus y square. Now we'll expand by using the identities a minus b whole square. Okay. Okay, so I'll write once again 3 minus x square plus 6 minus y whole square is equal to minus 3 minus x whole square plus 4 minus y whole square. Okay, so now we apply a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula. So a square plus b square minus 2ab plus next ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ a square plus b square minus 2ab equal and apply for this also. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a square plus b square minus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, yeah, so we'll simplify. 3 square 9 plus x square minus 6x plus 6 36 y square minus 12y is equal to 3 3s are 9 plus x square minus into minus plus 6x, next plus 16 plus y square minus 8y. Okay, so now cancel ಆಗೋದಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. Yeah, so this x square ಈ ಕಡೆ x square ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, then y square and y square ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, and we left with 9 minus, okay, so 9 and 36, 9 and 36, 45 minus 6x minus 12y is equal to 9 plus 16, 9 plus 16, 25 minus plus 6x minus 8y. So transpose ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟನ್ನು 45 minus 6x minus 12y ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ minus 25 minus 6x plus 8y is equal to 0, right? Minus 6x minus 6x minus 12x and minus 12y plus 8y minus 4y and plus 45 minus 25 it is plus 20 is equal to 0. See, ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಗಮನಿಸಿ, minus 12, 4, 20 ಎಲ್ಲವೂ 4 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 4 ಫಾರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟಿ. ಸೊ 4 3s minus 3x minus 4 1s y plus 4 5s 20 is equal to 0. Now we got a minus 3x minus 5 plus 5 alva. So we'll just multiply with minus 1 because x na positive ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 3x minus into minus plus y and minus into minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the relationship between x and y. 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so that completes our coordinate geometry exercise 7.1. Okay, so next video section formula exercise 7.2 problem solve ಮಾಡೋಣ.